Hello everyone, welcome to Study IQ. In this video, I will bring to you the multiple choice questions from 19th of May till 25th of May. Now please note that till 19th of May, I had already covered the questions in my previous video, that is the third week of May video. And I am bringing this video to you a little earlier than usual because tomorrow is Bank of Baroda exam and I don't want you to lose even a single mark. And time and again, we have seen, especially over the course of last 2 years, that they are asking very latest questions. In fact, in one of the exams last year, they asked the question of an event which happened 4 days before the exam. So I don't want to take any chance whatsoever. And right now our best selling pen drive is RBI grade B by far. Almost 70% of the pen drives we are selling is RBI grade B. There is also demand for SSC CGL. And if you want to buy any of our pen drives, just shoot this number 9580048004. I'm giving you another number 7291059476. So here we go. What was the theme of 2017 World Meteorology Day, which is observed on May the 20th? Now see, this is where you will lose marks. There are 2 days, okay? One is the World Meteorological Day and one is meteorology. What is meteorology? It is the study of measurement, meter. So there was a convention regarding adoption of meter as a unit, which is called Meter Convention, which happened on May the 20th. And meteorology is the when you study climate, weather phenomena, that is called meteorology. And World Meteorological Day is on 23rd of March every year, which is celebrated by World Meteorological Organization, which has its headquarters at Geneva in Switzerland. And World Meteorological Organization was established in 1950. But here we are concerned with World Meteorology. So this time the theme was measurement for transport and the day is May the 20th. Now there is a two-part book series which is called The Quest for a World Without Hunger. It has been written by which legendary person? This legendary person is called Father of Green Revolution in India. His name is M.S. Swaminathan. Please note that Father of Green Revolution is not M.S. Swaminathan. He is only Father of Green Revolution in India. Across the globe, Father of Green Revolution is Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug is the father of Green Revolution. In India, we have M.S. Swaminathan, and this book is very important. And one more thing I'll tell you about this book. It was released by Prime Minister Modi himself. And there is a thing about M.S. Swaminathan that he has also won something known as World Food Prize, WFP, World Food Prize, which is called the Nobel Prize in Agriculture. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief of our Integrated Defense Staff Operations? Deputy Chief is Air Marshal P.N. Pradhan. But keep in mind that our Air Chief Marshal is Birender Singh Dhanwa. Air Chief Marshal is the highest post in Air Force. He is the head of Air Force, Birender Singh Dhanwa. And Sunil Lamba, Sunil Lamba is for Navy, Chief of Navy, Admiral Sunil Lamba. Which of the following companies has received the TM Forum's Digital Service Innovator of the Year award? Digital Innovator. What is innovation? So innovation was proved by Reliance Jio because it gained just in 4 months 9 crore subscribers. So it was a what you call disruptive innovation. And Reliance Jio chairman is of course Mukesh Ambani. And Mukesh Ambani said, "Data is the new oil." His famous words. Stanley Green, he passed away. He was a renowned what? So he was a photojournalist, a very courageous person of African descent, but he spent most of his life in America, and he won not 1, not 2, but 5 World Press Photo Awards. So he used to take photographs in the war-torn countries, so he was very popular. Stanley Green. 3 Indian brands have featured in the list of top 50 luxury goods firms globally. Which of the following is not one of them? Now, there were 50 brands which were in this list, and number 1 brand in the world is Louis Vuitton. It's a French brand, luxury garments, luxury clothes, Louis Vuitton. It's pronounced as Louis Vuitton. It's French brand. Gitanjali Gems was there, Titan was there, Tanishq was not there, and PC Jeweler was there. So these 3 brands were in the list. Now Titan was 31st in the list in top 50. Gitanjali Gems was 30th, and PC Jeweler was 44th. So, and number 1 brand in the world is Louis Vuitton from France. Which state government has put a blanket ban for an indefinite period on sand mining in one of its rivers? this decision of a blanket ban, complete ban on sand mining from rivers, because if you mine excessive sand from the rivers, then the river bed completely get destroyed and the aquatic ecosystem suffers. This decision is taken by Madhya Pradesh government. Please note, Madhya Pradesh governor is Om Prakash Kohli, and Madhya Pradesh has a BJP government and Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the chief minister. Om Prakash Kohli is governor, and this was done to protect the river Narmada, the holy Narmada. Narmada takes its origin from Amarkantak and then it goes to Jabalpur. Please note, in Jabalpur it forms the second biggest waterfall of India, which is called the Dhuandhar waterfall. It is also called Kapil Dhara or Gautam Dhara, and then it passes through Devas and Hoshangabad, these towns. It goes to Maharashtra, then it goes to Gujarat, and in Gujarat it reaches a town called Bharuch, and finally it empties itself into the Arabian Sea. So it is a west flowing river. Life Corporation of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is the largest insurance company in India, it's a public sector company. It has signed an MOU with which bank? So it's usually the insurance company, they tie up with the bank. This is called bank assurance. So insurance companies, they sell their products using the bank consumer base. LIC has signed up with the Bank of Karnataka, that is the Karnataka Bank. Now, one thing I will tell you about LIC, they can ask. LIC headquarter, you know, it is in Mumbai, but LIC chairman is VK Sharma. He is the chairman of LIC. And Karnataka Bank, you know, they have changed their managing director and CEO. Earlier it was Mr. P. Jairam Bhatt, but now it is Mr. Mahabaleshwar. So this in itself is a good question. Mr. Mahabaleshwar MS is the Karnataka Bank MD and CEO. And Karnataka Bank is headquartered in Mangalore or Mangaluru, as they say. Which port trust received 2 best performance awards from the Ministry of Shipping? Our Minister for Shipping for Roadways is Mr. Nitin Gadkari, and 2 best performance awards recently was won by the Cochin Port Trust. Cochin Port Trust, and it showed very high growth in the past year. When do we celebrate the International Day for Biological Diversity? What is diversity? What is biodiversity? See, bio means living, diversity means variation. So when you have lot of plants, lot of animals, that is biodiversity. In India, we have lot of biodiversity rich areas, and we also have hotspots. The concept of hotspot was given by Norman Maier, and hotspot is an area which is biodiversity rich but also threatened. So like Western Ghat, Eastern Himalayas, they are biodiversity rich areas. And we celebrate International Day for Biodiversity on 22nd of May every year. So keep that in mind, 22nd of May. Which football club won the Hero Federation Cup final, which was held in Cuttack in Odisha? So who won it? And Mohun Bagan was beaten in the final by Bengaluru FC. So you can say it is a kind of an upset. Bengaluru FC beat Mohun Bagan in the final of the Hero Federation Cup. How many medals did India win at the South Asian Junior Table Tennis Championship, which was recently held in Sri Lanka? The capital of Sri Lanka is Shri Javardhanepuri Kotte. And how many medals India won? 14 medals. Out of that, 10 were gold medals. And please note, all the 10 gold medals which were on offer were won by India. So great going by Indians. And remember the name of 2 players. One is Archana Girish Kamath. You can see in the photo. Archana Girish Kamath. And second is Manav Thakkar. These are the 2 players which performed exceptionally well and therefore can be asked in the exam. Archana Girish Kamath and Manav Thakkar. I am talking about table tennis. Who has been appointed by the Justice Department as a special counsel to investigate Russian interference in the US elections 2016? So Donald Trump beat Hillary Clinton in the elections for the premier post in America, and there are people are saying that there was Russian interference, Russian collusion. Putin was hand in gloves with Donald Trump. We'll see. Investigation is going on, and they have appointed ex-director of FBI, Mr. Robert Mueller, as the special counsel to investigate. Which company topped the LinkedIn's list of top 25 companies to work for in India? So which is the best company to work for in India if we go by LinkedIn? This company is Flipkart for 2nd year in a row, and second company is Amazon. So Flipkart is the best company to work for in India, and Flipkart was founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Please note, Flipkart CEO right now is Mr. Kalyan Krishnamurthy, and Flipkart has raised huge funding from a lot of companies including SoftBank, and SoftBank is a Japanese telecom company. And Amazon CEO is Mr. Jeff Bezos. He is the owner of Amazon, and he's also one of the top 3 richest guys in the world. ISRO and NASA. Now ISRO is the Space Agency of India, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO chairman is Mr. A.S. Kiran Kumar, and ISRO is headquartered in Bengaluru. That is why it is called the Space City. And NASA is headquartered in Washington, the same place where we have the headquarters of the Bretton Woods twins, IMF and World Bank. So ISRO and NASA are together producing a dual frequency synthetic aperture radar satellite. What is the name of this satellite? This satellite is very costly. It will take pictures of the earth from top, and it estimated $1.5 billion, that is 10,000 crore rupees, will be spent on building this satellite. The name is NISAR. NISAR. Now my first question for you today, and this is a tough one. There is an Indian boy. He has made world's lightest weight satellite. He called it KalamSat. He has named it after APJ Abdul Kalam. Can you tell me the name of that boy who has made world's lightest satellite? KalamSat is the name. So APJ Abdul Kalam name has been, kept commemorating him. Okay, which football club has won the Spanish league? La Liga, also called La Liga. Spanish league is the domestic league in Spain. It is won by Real Madrid. Spain's capital is Madrid, and Real Madrid is one of the most famous clubs in the world. Please note, the coach of Real Madrid is Zinedine Zidane, and Zinedine Zidane is a legendary French midfielder. Second position was Barcelona. Although Barcelona have a player called Lionel Messi, he scored the most number of goals in the La Liga. Please note, English Premier League was won by this year by Chelsea. So I'm telling you top 5 leagues. Then Bundesliga, which is the German league, it was won by Bayern Munich, which is a club from Munich place in Germany. And Italian league was won by a club called Juventus. And the final of the Champions League, which will be in Cardiff. Cardiff is the capital of Wales, which is in Britain. So at Cardiff, the finals of the UEFA Champions League, which determines which is the best team in the Europe. And that final is just 7 days away, and that final will be in Cardiff between Real Madrid and Juventus, Italian champions versus Spanish champions. Japan is going to build a war museum in which Indian state, where a Japanese camp was located during World War II. So World War II was when Japan suffered severely at the hands of America, and there was a Japanese camp in India in a place called Bishanpur. Now, do you know where Bishanpur is? It is in Manipur. So at this place they are making a Japanese war museum. And if they ask where in Bishanpur, then there is a place called Maiba Lokpa. Which company signed a MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with the Telecom Sector Skill Council to jointly explore how Project Sangam can help enhance skill? See, Project Sangam is a baby of Microsoft India, and Microsoft CEO is Satya Nadella, who is from Hyderabad. And Google CEO, by the way, is also an Indian. His name is Sundar Pichai. And Facebook CEO, no, he's not an Indian, but he just graduated from Harvard University. His name is Mark Zuckerberg. He gave a brilliant speech when he took his degree. He is a college dropout from Harvard University. And Project Sangam is a project of Microsoft India in which they want to enhance the skills of the telecom sector personnel. There is a report recommending replacing the National Tiger Conservation Authority with National Wildlife Conservation Authority. So we should replace the word T with the word W. And NTCA is a statutory body which is to conserve the tigers in India. Tigers are considered as a flagship species because when we conserve tiger, then many other species are also conserved under the same umbrella. So it is an umbrella species also. NTCA should be replaced with NWCA by 2020. This was a recommendation of a committee headed by which person? This committee is headed by one of our economic advisors, Anandi Subramaniam. So keep that in mind. India has 70% of the population of tigers in the world, and the maximum tigers in India are at Jim Corbett National Park. Which team won the gold medal in the 2017 IIHF Ice Hockey World Championship? Hockey played on ice, ice hockey. IIHF Ice Hockey World Championship was won by, for 10th time, it was won by Sweden. The capital is Stockholm. It is a Scandinavian country. Please note that Sweden's currency is not euro, although it is a part of Europe. Its currency is krona. What is the name of the environment cartoonist who won the World Wildlife Fund International President's Award at a ceremony held in Indonesia? He is a cartoonist. He is an environmental cartoonist from Maharashtra, Nagpur. His name is Rohan Chakravarti. And WWF president is Yolanda Kakabadse. Chairman or president of WWF. And United Nations Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. United Nations recently released its first draft of nuclear ban treaty. It requires the ratification by how many states to come into force? Nuclear ban treaty. It is a sort of a disarmament. And please note that there are 9 countries in the world which have nuclear bomb right now. US, UK, Russia, China, France, India, Pakistan, North Korea, and Israel. These are the 9 countries. And none of these 9 countries is willing to sign nuclear ban treaty. That is another thing. So it should be ratified by at least 40 countries. India took over which country to become the second largest steel producer in the world? And number one country in the world which produces maximum steel is China. Number 2 was Japan, but we have leapfrogged Japan. So now we are number 2. Japan is number 3. So the answer is Japan. And steel is central to our infrastructural requirements. Which Indian cricketer won the International Cricketer of the Year award at the SIA cricket rating? He took a whopping 99 wickets in 2016. What is his name? Actually, in the last 12 months, he took 99 wickets. His name is Ravichandran Ashwin. Please also note there is another player called Shubham. And Shubham was, his full name is Shubham Gill. Shubham Gill was awarded the best player in the world in the young player category. So he is one to watch out for. Confessions of a Dying Mind, The Blind Faith of Atheism. It's basically a philosophical novel on God. It has been written by which person? So this book is written by a person called Haulian Lal Guite. And this book was released by Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who is from Arunachal Pradesh, but Mr. Haulian Lal Guite is from Manipur. Capital is Imphal. My second question for you today: who is the Chief Minister of Manipur? Write down in comments. Who is the Chief Minister of Manipur? What is the name of the world's largest aircraft which successfully completed its first test flight? Look at this aircraft, and the name is written here. It is called Airlander 10. The flight was in UK. It's a very, very big aircraft, and it's a commercial aircraft. It is not a fighter aircraft, and it is 92 meter long and 43.5 meter wide. IFCO recently launched its co-branded debit card. Co-branded means when it's a debit card, two companies' logo is there. That is co-branded debit card. They launched it for farmers in collaboration with which bank? Which bank is this? It is the Bank of Baroda, for which you have an exam tomorrow. And Bank of Baroda, its managing director is Mr. P.S. Jayakumar. P.S. Jayakumar, headquartered at Vadodara. See, Baroda is the old name of Vadodara. Why Vadodara is called Vadodara? Because it has vad trees. There is a type of trees called vad trees. Which union ministry launched Swachh Bharat app with a focus to involve tourists in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? So we want to make the tourists who are visiting India as a stakeholder in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, in the Cleanliness India campaign. This was done by Ministry of Culture and Tourism. And our minister for that is him. His name is Dr. Mahesh Sharma. He is our Minister of State with independent charge for culture and tourism. Which squash player won the Nissan Makati Open, a PSA World Tour event held in Philippines? Capital of Philippines is Manila, which has headquarters of Asian Development Bank. And President of Philippines is Rodrigo Duterte, most influential person in the world. Which squash player won the Nissan Makati Open? His name is Harinder Pal Sandhu. Harinder Pal Sandhu. And he beat Malaysian player Muhammad Kamal in the final. Which state government is going to make Aadhaar card compulsory for giving state board exam? And this is done to keep cheating in check and any forgery and keep the attendance in check. This is done by the government of Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath is the chief minister and Ram Nayak is the governor. Ram Nayak. There is a book or a document which is called Raising Happy Children and Providing Safe Childhood. This book is about how you can raise your children in a happy manner and how we can ensure that they have a safe childhood. This book has been released by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Who is our Union Minister for that? It is Maneka Gandhi, Union Minister for Women and Child Development. Now there is an underwater tunnel which has been completed ahead of schedule. This is built by Afcon. So it is being dug under which river? It will connect Hooghly. It will connect Hooghly with the Salt Lake, and the river name is Hooghly. It will connect actually Havda with Salt Lake. So it is being built in West Bengal, and the budget is 5,000 crore rupees. Which state government is launching Shivar Samvad Sabha to reach out to farmer? It's basically a dialogue between MPs, MLAs, Member of Parliament, Member of Legislative Assembly, the councillors, the corporators, and the Jilla Parishad member. So this initiative is done by the government of Maharashtra. It is a coalition government between Shiva Sena and BJP, and Chief Minister is Devendra Fadnavis, who was recently subject to a chopper crash, but he survived. So Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis is the CM, and the governor is C. Vidyasagar Rao. Reserve Bank of India is going to reconstitute an oversight committee. They will do what? So they will tackle the bad loans. So Reserve Bank of India has came down heavily on banks who have bad loans. Banks like IDBI, banks like UCO Bank, a lot of bad loans are there. Which bank recently launched a national hackathon which is called Code for Bank? This is basically to encourage innovative solutions for banking sector and embracing digital and how we can move forward in digital ecosystem. This was done by the State Bank of India, the largest bank in India, largest lender in India, and chairman is Arundhati Bhattacharya. Cabinet recently approved abolition of 25-year-old FIPB. So this is a good decision because FIPB was a hallmark of bureaucratic apathy, and we have seen lot of cases like Aircel Marxist scam, and there was a Ratan Tata. He was colluding with a Malaysian airline, and that was also put on hold by FIPB. And later they approved it, and there were a lot of irregularities. And as such, this has been done to improve ease of doing business because we are way behind in ease of doing business by World Bank. And also note that now there are only 11 sectors in which you have to take approval of the government before having FDI. So the foreign investors can freely invest in India, but there are only 11 sectors in which you need approval, like defense and all these sectors. So this is called the Foreign Investment Promotion Board. It has been now done away with. Union Cabinet recently approved setting up of a new All India Institute of Medical Science. So where this was recently inaugurated? It was in Assam. Where in Assam? There is a district called Kamrup district in Assam where it is being built with an investment of 1123 crore rupees. And Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Assam. And Sarbanand Sonowal of the Bharatiya Janata Party is the chief minister of Assam. Capital is Dispur. Paytm Payment Bank has appointed 3 new board members. Which one of the following is not one of them? So 2 board members are, one is the chairman, of course, he will be a board member, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, he is the Paytm founder. And then the CEO of Paytm Payment Bank is Renu Satti. She is also board member. But they have appointed 3 board members, so there are total 5. So G.S. Sundarajan, yes, he is there. Ash Lilani is there. P.V. Bhaskar is there. So Mr. Vishal Setia is not there. So these are the 5 board members of Paytm Payment Bank. Paytm Payment Bank is what? Basically now your wallet will act as your bank app. That's it. You can do a lot of things through Paytm Payment Bank, and I will cover this in more detail. So the first payment bank to open in India was Airtel Payment Bank. Second, India Post Payment Bank, and now we have the Paytm Payment Bank. It is the third payment bank to actually come on floor, to actually start its operations. 18th India-Russia Annual Summit is going to be held where? So Narendra Modi will be on a 4 countries visit. He will visit Germany, Spain, Russia and France. So he will also meet with French new president Emmanuel Macron. And Donald Trump met Emmanuel Macron yesterday. His party name is En Marche. En Marche. So India-Russia Annual Summit will be in St. Petersburg, Russia. Russia capital is Moscow. Currency is ruble. President is Vladimir Putin. Who has been elected as one of the members of the Badminton World Federation Athletics Commission. She has been elected for 4 years and her name is Olympic silver medalist PV Sindhu. 70th World Health Assembly was recently held where? 70th World Health Assembly to discuss the health issues took place in Geneva, which is also the headquarters of World Health Organization, and Geneva is in Switzerland. Kilian Jornet, Kilian Jornet, he recently set the record for the fastest ascent of Mount Everest in alpine style. What is the meaning of alpine style? When you climb Mount Everest without using ropes, without using oxygen cylinder, oxygen mask, that is called alpine style. So he is from which country? He is from Spain, and he climbed Mount Everest north face in 26 hours. The world record is held by Mr. Hans Kammerlander from Italy. Mr. Hans Kammerlander from Italy, he climbed Mount Everest north face in 16 hours 45 minutes. And capital of Spain is Madrid. Who is going to be the new chairman or chairperson of the National Commission for Minorities? His name is Gayarul Hassan. Please also note that our Minister for Minorities is Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. He is our Minister of State for Minority Affairs. And first time in the history of National Commission for Minorities, there is a member from Jain community also. 3 ancient stone sculptors, that is seated Buddha, worshippers of Buddha and goddess Pratyangira. These are the 3 sculptors. These were returned by a country to India recently. Which country is this? This is Australia. The Prime Minister of Australia was on a visit to India last month. His name is Malcolm Turnbull. Capital of Australia is Canberra. Startup India Summit was recently held where? Startup India Summit recently took place in capital of United Arab Emirates, that is Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. It was organized by the Consul General of India, CGI. Which of the following persons resigned? He was the Prime Minister of this country, but he resigned. His name is Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda. He was the Prime Minister of Nepal. He resigned. And please note that Nepal is our dear neighbor. Capital is Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the headquarter of SAARC. And the president of Nepal is a lady, Bidya Devi Bhandari. She is the first female president of Nepal. Sir Roger Moore, he passed away recently. He is known for playing which character on silver screen? So this is one of the easiest questions that I can ask you. He was the Bond, James Bond. He took over from Sean Connery. Then Roger Moore was there. Then Pierce Brosnan, and we have Daniel Craig, and there were a lot of James Bonds. 007. And also note that he did 7 James Bond films. And one of the films was Octopussy, in which Kabir Bedi acted, Indian actor Kabir Bedi. So please also note Sir Roger Moore was from UK. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. This is the name of one person, his photo is here. And he took over from Margaret Chan. So this is one of the most important questions, because Margaret Chan is the Director General of WHO, Chief of WHO. But now she has made way for Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. So from which country he is from? He is from a country, the capital is Addis Ababa. Now can you identify this African country? Ethiopia. Which company has launched their mobile app, which is called Seva? So Seva is what you call, there is a full form of Seva as always. It is Saral Indhan Vitran application. So basically it means easy distribution of fuel app. And it is by Coal India Limited, because out of these 4 only Coal India Limited has a fuel which is coal. Coal is also called black diamond. Second edition of India OPEC institutional dialogue was recently held where? OPEC, Organization for Petroleum Exporting Countries. These are the oil-rich countries, Saudi Arabia, Venezuela, Iran, Iraq, Angola, and all these countries. So India OPEC institutional dialogue took place in Vienna, capital of Austria. Which bank recently launched a trading platform which is called Selfie? Selfie, which was once upon a time word of the year. Anyways, trading platform called Selfie. This is a trading platform of Federal Bank. Federal Bank headquartered at Kochi in Kerala. Please note, Federal Bank's Managing Director and CEO is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. Which singer broke Adele's record of 13 awards at the Billboard Music Award 2017, which took place in Las Vegas? So Adele had won 12 awards, and Adele was also included in the Guinness World Record for maximum views on YouTube on her song Hello. So new record holder is Drake. 13 awards, and Drake is on Billboard's Hot 100 for 8 consecutive years. There is a book released recently, India 2017 yearbook. This book has been authored by which person? So he is our Union Home Secretary, Rajiv Maharishi, and our Home Minister is Rajnath Singh. What is the name of India's first IT workers union? First Information Technology Union, which is in the process of getting itself registered. Our IT Minister, that is Ministry of Electronics and IT, METI, is Ravi Shankar Prasad. So they have kept the name FITE, FIGHT. And what is FIGHT? It is Forum for IT Employees. Madhya Pradesh government has signed an MOU with which IIT? Together they will develop an index which is called Happiness Index. Please also note that Madhya Pradesh government was the first government in India to have a Ministry of Happiness, a dedicated separate ministry for happiness. Now they have partnered with IIT Kharagpur. Pervasive Sub, S-U-B. It is basically a software that allows the deaf people and the blind people, visually impaired and hearing impaired people to enjoy television content on real-time basis. It has been developed by the researchers from which country? This is an effort of the Carlos University in Madrid, so Spain is the answer. Novak Djokovic, who is his new coach? Legendary player Andre Agassi from United States of America is the coach now of Djokovic. So now we'll see whether Djokovic improves in the French Open, which is going to start in a few days. And Novak Djokovic is a player from Serbia. Capital of Serbia is Belgrade. Astronomers have created the first map of the large-scale structures of the universe, which is based on the positions of which of the following celestial object? These celestial objects are very, very bright. Very, very bright. They are called quasar. They are extremely bright and distant points of the light, and they are powered by black holes. That is the specialty of quasar. Students from which university have made world's first car, which is made up of biocomposite? You can see here, this car is made of biocomposite, and the name of the car is Lina. This is made by the students from the Eindhoven University of Technology, which is in Netherlands, Holland. SoftBank Vision Fund which has become world's biggest private equity fund, announced its first close at what price? They announced it at $93 billion. So keep track on SoftBank Vision Fund because it has funded lot of Indian companies. And SoftBank is a Japanese telecom company, and you should know who is the chairman of SoftBank. It is Mr. Masayoshi Son. Who won the women's title in the Asian Continental Blitz Chess Championship, which was held in Chengdu in China? Who is this chess player? Her name is Vaishali, R. Vaishali. Which Indian born woman has become the first woman to be elected as a councillor to the City of London Corporation? She is basically from Chennai. Her name is Rehana Amir. And UK, I'm talking about. London is the capital of England. So UK Prime Minister is Theresa May. Which life insurance company has launched an artificial intelligence based email robot which is called Spock? This is an important question. It has been launched by HDFC Life. Please note, HDFC Life CEO is Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary, him. But if I talk about HDFC Bank, then the managing director is Aditya Puri. UNESCO World Day for Cultural Diversity on Dialogue and Development was observed when? UNESCO, which also declares our World Heritage Site, courtesy is World Heritage Center. UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization and headquartered at Paris in France. And this day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development we observe on May the 21st. Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu recently inaugurated Wi-Fi facility at how many railway stations? He did it at 28 railway stations in total. Who are the two Indian peacekeepers that will be honored with the prestigious UN Dag Hammarskjöld Gold Medal awarded posthumously? Please note that UN Peacekeeping India is the largest contributor of troops. So these two are Brijesh Thapa and Ravi Kumar. Brijesh Thapa, he was employed in Congo, and Ravi Kumar was employed in Lebanon. So the answer is 1 and 2. Both of them, they lost their lives and they got the UN Dag Hammarskjöld Medal. Who won the gold medal in the junior category and the overall championship at the first Asia level yoga competition held in Thailand? So she's a special person. Her name is Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, she is from Coimbatore, from Tamil Nadu, and she has also got a lot of titles like Yoga Rani, which means Yoga Queen, Yoga Natchatra, Young Achiever Award from Indian Yoga Association, Tamil Nadu. What is the name of the Indian mountaineer? She's a female. She has become the world's first woman to climb Mount Everest 2 times in 5 days. So Mount Everest, not easy to climb. 8848 meter is the height, the highest peak in the world. It is called Sagarmat. It is in Nepal. And she climbed it 2 times in 5 days. She is from Arunachal Pradesh. Her name is Anshu Jemsenpai. Now she has climbed it 5 times. And Arunachal Pradesh, the governor and chief minister you should know. So governor is Padmanabha Acharya and chief minister is Pema Khandu of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Please also note one thing, that there is a Navy officer, Brij Mohan Sharma. He has become the first person from Indian Navy to climb Mount Everest recently. Brij Mohan Sharma, who has been elected as the president of Iran consecutively. Earlier also he was president, now also he is president. His name is Hassan Rouhani. Iran currency is Riyal, capital is Tehran. What is the name of the basic trainer aircraft and second prototype of which completed its maiden flight recently? So first flight, and this is built up by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Please note, chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is Mr. Suvarna Raju. Don't confuse him with Ashok Gajapati Raju, who is the civil aviation minister. So the name of this aircraft is HTT-40. There is a full form also, Hindustan Turbo Trainer 40. Which of the following country's archery team won the gold medal in the men's category at the World Cup held in Shanghai, China? Shanghai also has the headquarters of a bank, New Development Bank, also called BRICS Bank. President is KV Kamath. So which country's archery team won the gold medal? It is India. So remember the name of all the 3 players. This is like a big upset. We won the World Cup. And the name of the 3 players are as follows. First is Mr. Abhishek Verma. They might ask, Abhishek Verma is a sportsman representing which sport? They might not ask the question directly. Abhishek Verma. Then we have China Raju, Shrither, and we have Amanjeet Singh. These are the 3 players. Abhishek Verma, Chinna Raju, and Amanjeet Singh. Researchers in Antarctica have discovered rapidly growing banks of mosses on the northern peninsula of the continent. This study was published in which journal? This study was published in the journal called Current Biology. and mosses, they grow first on an abandoned land. Anurag Mehrotra has taken over as the managing director for the Indian subsidiary of which automobile company? This automobile company is headquartered in Michigan. It is Ford. Please also note, General Motors has said that it will not sell cars in India anymore. Who has become the first transgender in Pakistan to be officially appointed by the government as a lecturer? Pakistan capital is Islamabad and Prime Minister is Nawaz Sharif. So, which transgender is now a lecturer in Pakistan, the first transgender in Pakistan to do so? His name is Aisha Mughal and the university name is Quaid-e-Azam University in Islamabad. What is the name of the Indian boy who has won the world's largest pre-college science competition in the United States in the environmental engineering category? He is from Jamshedpur and his name is Prashant Ranganathan. Anti-Terrorism Day we observe in India on May the 21st to commemorate what? So our very dear Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was killed by the terrorists from LTTE on this day. So we celebrate martyrdom of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on Anti-Terrorism Day. NASA has named a new organism discovered by them, after which Indian personality? This is an important question. They have named it as Solibacillus kalami, named after APJ Abdul Kalam ji. APJ Abdul Kalam. So this is the new organism. Very, very important. You can mug up the name Solibacillus. Basically, it's a bacteria. Basically, how many individuals have been given the Banga Bibhushan, West Bengal's highest civilian award? West Bengal's highest civilian award is given to 5 people. And I will tell you the names and I will tell you the name of the person which you have to remember. Actor Soumitra Chatterjee, poet Narendranath Chakrabarti, ITC chairman YC Deveshwar. Remember this name, YC Deveshwar. He is the chairman of Indian Tobacco Company ITC, which is into hotels, FMCG, so many business are there. One of India's richest person. Then you have Dr. Dhiman Ganguly and retired IPS Arun Prasad Mukherjee. These are the 5 people who have got the West Bengal's highest civilian award. Which refugee camp has become the world's first to be powered by renewable energy? And this camp has 20,000 Syrian refugees. Capital of Syria is Damascus. Syria is a war-torn country. It's a proxy war going on between US and Russia. And this camp is in Jordan. Name of this camp is Azraq, refugee camp Azraq. Capital of Jordan is Amman. Which Bollywood actor has won the International Humanitarian Award at the Asia Voice Charity Award? She is basically from Sri Lanka. She has acted in a lot of movies. Very talented, Jacqueline Fernandez. Who won the men's single title at the Italian Open tennis tournament held recently? This was a major upset. He beat Novak Djokovic, who is celebrating his new coach Andre Agassi. Novak Djokovic was beaten by Alexander Zverev of Germany. Mumbai Indians, they won the IPL and they beat which team in the final? Final was held in Hyderabad. They beat RPS actually, Rising Pune Supergiant. Please note, if I ask you which player has won the IPL maximum number of times, the answer is Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma has won IPL 4 times. And if I ask you which team has won IPL maximum number of times, Mumbai, 3 times they have won the IPL. So these things you can mug up. Also, man of the match was Krunal Pandya in the final. Krunal Pandya was the man of the match. Matthew Matthews, he passed away recently. He was the inspiration behind which Bollywood film? So the mission that we did in the 80s, Airlift. And the male protagonist was played by Akshay Kumar. Airlift was the name of the movie. Scientists from which country have created world's thinnest hologram? World's thinnest hologram is prepared by the scientists from the Australia RMIT University. It is actually 1000 times thinner than human hair. Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, which is RCEP, and in RCEP it is a free trade agreement between 10 members of the ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. So where was their ministers meeting held? India is not a member of ASEAN, please keep that in mind. And this was held in Hanoi, which is the capital of Vietnam. NRTO has been recently listed under the Intelligence Organizations Act of 1985. NRTO stands for National Technical Research Organization, which was formed after the Kargil attack of 1999. Now we have 3 intelligence agencies in India. One is NRTO. It has been given the same status of IB and RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. Now my second question for you today, and it is a tough one. Who is the chief of IB and RAW in India? Write down in comments. Pampa Declaration. It's a 7-point action plan for conservation of the river Pampa. It is also sometimes pronounced as Pamba. It was chalked out recently. This river is located in which state? We want to protect the river Pampa, and for that we adopted Pampa Declaration. It is a river in Kerala. Kerala governor is Mr. P. Sathashivam, retired Justice P. Sathashivam, and Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan of the CPIM party. Which state is going to form Good Morning Squad? What is a Good Morning Squad? These people will go to the people who are doing defecation in the open and they will tell please don't do. So they will demotivate or dissuade the people from defecating in the open. This squad has been made by the government of Maharashtra. US President Donald Trump was recently presented with the top civilian honor by which country? US sells weapons to this country in the order of 10 billion each year. It is Saudi Arabia. And this award was presented to him by the King of Saudi Arabia, Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud. And this honor is called Collar of Abdul Aziz Al Saud Medal. And the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh and currency is Riyal. Which state has decided to provide grant in aid for worship and maintenance of the religious institutions which are the center for the religious faiths by creating funds? This decision has been taken by the government of Himachal Pradesh. The governor of Himachal Pradesh is Acharya Dev Vrat. It has a Congress government. Chief Minister is Veerbhadra Singh. First of its kind, environmental friendly toilet. This toilet is made of plastic bottles. It has been set up where? It is a pilot project. If it runs successful, it will be implemented across the state. This is by the government of Jharkhand. Please note, Jharkhand governor is Draupadi Murmu. And Chief Minister is of course Raghubar Das, who is the first non-tribal Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Which renowned academician recently gave his speech at Niti Aayog's Transforming India series? Third lecture of Niti Aayog's Transforming India series. He is also famous for Porter's 5 forces. His name is Michael Porter. So you know Porter's 5 forces, entry barrier and all those. Porter's 5 forces, threat of entrance, etc. May 23 has been dedicated to raise awareness on the conservation of what? It is called World Turtle Day. And it has been celebrated since the year 2000. So, turtle. Please note there is a difference between turtle and tortoise. Tortoise lives on land, turtle is mostly marine. And turtle, the roof is smaller compared to tortoise. And turtle lays its eggs. India is very famous for its turtles, especially olive ridley turtle. It is found mostly in Odisha. There is a beach in Odisha which is called Gahir Mutt Beach, where we find the olive ridley turtle. There is a committee which is being set up on Scouts and Guides. It has submitted its report to the Ministry of Youth Affairs. So Scouts and Guides, this committee was headed by which person? This committee was headed by Harsh Malhotra. And our sports minister is Vijay Goyal. Bharat Electronics Limited has recently signed a deal worth $630 million. It's a missile system deal with the aerospace company of which nation? It is called IAI, Israel Aerospace Company. So the answer is Israel. Let me do some facts about Israel. Capital is Jerusalem. The currency is New Shekel. And Prime Minister is Benjamin Netanyahu. But you should also know the President. His name is Reuven Rivlin. Reuven Rivlin. Israel. Which bank recently signed an MOU with HDFC Capital Asset Management Company? It is the Karnataka Bank. Now, please note that Karnataka Bank is headquartered in Mangaluru, and I told you that P. Jairam Bhatt is now no more the Managing Director and CEO of this bank. It is Mr. Mahabaleshwar MS. And HDFC Bank, of course, Aditya Puri is the Managing Director. Where has Paytm Payments Bank opened its first branch? They have opened it in Noida, where they already have the headquarters of Paytm. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi recently suggested renaming which port trust after Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay? He has suggested renaming Kandla Port in Gujarat after Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay. And Kandla Port is one of the biggest ports in Gujarat. Gujarat has a BJP government, by the way, and the Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. What is India's rank in the internal displacement as per the Global Report on Internal Displacement, GRID? See, please note that internal displacement means when due to some factor, you are able to leave your home and go to some other place. That is called internal displacement. In India, 24 people were internally displaced in 2016. For example, in Bihar, there was a flood in 2016. Because of that, around 1.6 million or 16 lakh people got displaced. So India was third on the list. Maximum displacement took place. Number one on the list was China, where more than 74 lakh people they were displaced. Second was Philippines, where 59 lakh people, 5.9 million got displaced. Who is the author of this book? Winning Like Virat, Think and Succeed Like Kohli. The author of this book is Mr. Abhirup Bhattacharya. This is a question from Books and Author. What is the name of technology road show that was recently organized by United Nations Environment in Agra? Please note, United Nations Environment, its headquarters is in Nairobi. Nairobi is capital of Kenya. And this effort was called Ozone to Climate. Ozone is written as O3. The bag that was used by NASA astronaut Neil Armstrong, he was the first man to reach on moon. So when he reached moon, he collected some dust samples in his bag. This bag will be auctioned for how much amount? This is the minimum amount, $4 million, and it might easily be more. We'll find out only after the auction is over. 4 million is the answer. Shubha Mandal has been appointed as the Group General Counsel by which famous company? He has been appointed by Tata Sons, and he will replace Mr. Bharat Vasani. Which city's police has recruited world's first Robocop? Robocop is basically a robot which will act as a police officer. This has been done by the police of Dubai. What is the name of the world's smallest republic that has joined International Solar Alliance? Please note, International Solar Alliance is an effort of India and France. That time French President Mr. Francois Hollande, he and Narendra Modi, in 2015 they initiated this alliance, International Solar Alliance, and now it has been joined by Nauru, which is the world's smallest republic. Which union minister recently launched the phase 1 of Bharatiya Sanchar Nigam Limited BSNL, which is the public sector telecom company, BSNL satellite phone service for government agency? This was done by our Minister of Communication, Manoj Sinha, Minister of Communication with independent charge. Ministry of External Affairs, MEA, represented by Sushma Swaraj, Ministry of Electronics and IT, represented by Ravi Shankar Prasad, and Ministry of Human Resource Development, represented by Prakash Javadekar, recently launched the integration of eSanad with CBSE Digital Academic Repository. What is the name of this? So this will basically allow the students to attest their certificates online. It will save a lot of time and energy of students, aspirants, and they have named it Parinam Manjusha. Parinam means result. And CBSE chairman, you should know. So the chairman of CBSE is Mr. R.K. Chaturvedi, Central Board of Secondary Education. Global Rajasthan Agri-Tech Meet, GRAM, was recently held in which city? It was recently in Kota. Kota is located on the town of the river Chambal in Rajasthan. And Malaysia was our partner country in Global Rajasthan Agri-Tech Meet. As per a study by School of Planning and Architecture, which Indian airport is the least accessible when traveling by car? And more than 60 airports were surveyed. So basically, the time taken to reach the airport from the city center is maximum in Delhi. So Delhi is least accessible by car. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Which country's Supreme Court or the apex court, the top court, has ruled in the favor of same-sex marriage? So now the gay marriage, the lesbian marriage will be made possible in Taiwan. The capital is Taipei, one of the arch enemies of China. Who has become the first amputee? Amputee means a person who does not have a leg or a hand, maybe because of some medical reason or because of an accident. First amputee to swim 20-kilometer stretch of the Red Sea Gulf of Aqaba, which so he basically swam from Egypt to Jordan, and he is from Egypt only. His name is Omar Hegazi. Which of the following has not been elected as one of the mayor of Delhi Civic Corporation? Okay, so let's see. So Divya Rathi has not been elected as mayor of one of Delhi Civic Corporation. Preeti Agarwal is representing North Delhi. Kamaljit Sehrawat is representing South Delhi, and Neema Bhagat is representing East Delhi. Union Cabinet has recently approved amendment of Central Road Fund Act 2000 to allocate how much percent of the Central Road Fund for National Waterway? And National Waterways we plan to build rupees 25,000 crore will be spent till the year 2022-23 to build national waterways in India, and amount allocated is 2.5% of the Central Road Fund. And the largest national waterway is from Allahabad to Haldia on River Ganga. Which state's chief minister recently launched an anti-encephalitis campaign? Encephalitis is a very, very dangerous disease. More than 40,000 children have died in Uttar Pradesh because of this in the last 40 years. So the answer is Uttar Pradesh. And now vaccination will be done for encephalitis. Which city has been ranked as the world's most densely populated? See, world's densely populated does not mean it has the maximum population. It means that it has the maximum population per square kilometer of the area. That is, it is most crowded by World Economic Forum. They have declared it. World Economic Forum is headquartered in Cologne in Switzerland. Please note, it is not Cologne. Cologne is in Germany. It is Cologne in Switzerland. So it is Dhaka. Second is Mumbai. And you won't believe it, seventh is Kota. Which company is going to host the Asian Junior Tennis Championship 2017? It is basically sponsoring it. This is HCL. HCL is sponsoring it. Union Cabinet recently approved India's joint declaration of intent regarding cooperation in the sector of alternative medicine with which country? Alternative medicine, we will do mutual cooperation with Germany. Capital is Berlin and Germany's chancellor is her Angela Merkel. Ebix has acquired 80% stake. 80% they have bought which company for 800 crore rupees? This is a payment services company. It's Cash. It's Cash. Which team won the UEFA Europa League? So Europa League is a tournament at European level, although it is less prestigious than Europa Champions League, but still it is a good tournament. It was won by Manchester United Football Club. The manager is Jose Mourinho from Portugal, and Manchester United is a club from English Premier League in England, and English Premier League was won by Chelsea. They beat the club Ajax of Holland in the final. May 23 has been dedicated by the United Nations to which of the following injury that can occur during childbirth? See, during childbirth, obstetric fistula can develop. In fact, 20 lakh women across the globe suffer from obstetric fistula. It can be life-threatening also a lot of times. Union Cabinet recently approved we will cooperate with this country in the field of organ and tissue transplant. You can see the flag of this country. It is Spain. We have signed a agreement with this country. We will cooperate in the field of organ and tissue transplants. There is a flower which is called Erythema translucens flower. It was spotted at the Western Nilgiri Hills after 84 years. What is the common name of this plant? It is called cobra lily because it resembles cobra snake. Food and Safety Organization, which is the FSSAI. FSSAI was established in 2011. It has permitted addition of vegetable fat in the chocolate to a maximum of what? How much vegetable fat is permitted now in chocolates? It is only 5%. 5%. And who is the chairman of FSSAI? It is Mr. Ashish Bahuguna. Ashish Bahuguna. Which state has launched electronic plant clinic to provide guidance to the farmers? This state is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, the governor is Narendra Nath Vohra, NN Vohra, and chief minister is Mehbooba Mufti. Recently, the valley has been very hostile to the Indian army, Jammu and Kashmir. And you must have also seen that Major Gagoi, he tied up a guy as a human shield also. So, lot is going on in Jammu and Kashmir. Reserve Bank of India recently allowed which of the following to install ATM, issue debit card and issue prepaid payment instrument like mobile wallet. Which banks can do that now? It is the cooperative bank. But there are conditions like cooperative bank should be profitable. It should not have a non-performing asset more than 3%. So there are conditions, but cooperative banks can now have ATMs. They can issue debit card and issue prepaid instruments also. But for prepaid instrument, there is a limit of 10,000 rupees. Which social networking website has launched a new customizable direct message card that can be used by the businesses? The CEO of this company is Mr. Jack Dorsey. So now it's easy question. It is Twitter based in California, US. Government has made how many government officers retire? So how many government officers? So I'll tell you what happened. 66,000 government officers were reviewed whether they are working properly or not. And out of that, how many government officers they were not working properly? So they were forced to retire because of non-performance. This was announced by the Union Minister Jitendra Singh. Total 129 officers were forced to retire. 30 were Group A officer and 99 were Group B officers. Puducherry government has recently presented a tax-free budget of 6,945 crore rupees. Who has the finance portfolio in the Union Territory of Puducherry? It is the Chief Minister V. Narayanaswamy. He only holds the finance portfolio. And the governor of Puducherry is first IPS officer, female IPS officer of India, Kiran Bedi. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, recently commissioned the third unit of the 1980 megawatt Prayagraj Super Thermal Power Project. It is located in which state? Prayagraj Super Thermal Power Project is in Uttar Pradesh. But I'll tell you one more. They have also commissioned a 250 megawatt Parli Thermal Power Station, and this is in Maharashtra. So Parli Thermal is in Maharashtra and Prayagraj is in Uttar Pradesh, both by BHEL, which is a Maharatan company. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Internet and Mobile Association of India? IAMAI. He is the vice president of Google in Asia Pacific. His name is Rajan Anandan. Rajan Anandan. And he will take over from Mr. Kunal Shah, who was the founder of FreeCharge. Union Cabinet has given its approval to raising of bonds of how much amount for renewable energy? Our Minister for Renewable Energy, Coal and Power is Mr. Piyush Goyal. We need to raise the money equivalent of 2,360 crore by issuing bonds. Which company is the highest ranked Indian company in the Forbes magazine Global 2000 list this year? In the Global 2000 total, there were 58 Indian companies which featured, and Indian company Reliance was 106th, and among Indian companies it was the first. I will also tell you which is the number one company in this list. They can ask this. It is the Bank of China, ICBC, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. It was number one in this list. Lenin Moreno, he recently became the president of which country? The capital of this country is Quito. This country is Ecuador. Yusuf Ali, he was featured on the Forbes Middle East annual rankings for the top 100 Indian business owners. He is the managing director of which company? He is the managing director of Lulu Group. Lulu Group. Government recently imposed anti-dumping duty on which of the following? So they imposed anti-dumping duty to protect domestic manufacturers on all of these. That is aluminium foil and radiator from China, glass from Iran, and amoxicillin, which is an antibiotic from China. Which of the following organizations is going to adopt UN Health Agency's recommendations to register and publicly disclose result of all the clinical trials they fund? Now this organization will publish the results of all the clinical trial. It is the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. ICMR. And who is the director of ICMR? Director General or Chief of ICMR? Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. What is India's rank in the international tourist arrival ranking as per the latest UN World Tourism Organization barometer? So basically, India was ranked way below. That is, in 2014 we were 41st, in 2015 we were 40, and now in 2016 we are 24. So we have made huge strides in the tourism. Jaipur Literature Festival was recently inaugurated where? Jaipur Literature Festival recently began in London, and this was the 4th London edition of the Jaipur Literature Festival. Bibiana Steinhaus, she became the first ever woman referee in Bundesliga. Bundesliga means German Football League. So she is from which country? She is from Germany itself, and she will also be a referee in the Female Champions League final, Women's Champions League final in Cardiff, which is the capital of Wales. Our Income Tax Department, Central Board of Direct Taxes, recently signed how many unilateral advance pricing agreement with the taxpayer? They signed recently 2 agreements. They were basically with the chip design and embedded software companies. Total in this fiscal they have signed 4. So now my third question for you today, who is the chairman of CBDT? Goods and Services Council has finalized the tax on cable TV and direct to home services in the tax bracket of what? So cable TV and direct to home will be costlier now. It is in the tax bracket of 18% rate. A study is to be commissioned to define and structure a common risk mitigation mechanism for solar power generation projects under the aegis of ISA, International Solar Alliance. So International Solar Alliance will also look forward to if there are any risk related to solar power generation, and for that there has to be a mitigation mechanism which can assuage the disaster if it arises at all. Who is the head of International Solar Alliance? Head is Mr. Upender Tripathi. He is the interim Director General of the International Solar Alliance. So these were the questions from last 6 or 7 days actually, and these will be extremely crucial for your tomorrow's exam, for SBI PO mains, and for your other exams. So do share the video, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, bye.